Welcome to UCAN Plumbing. I'm Mark the Plumber, and today we're going to take a look at the origins of the wax seal. Now, where did the wax seal come from? Why are we still using it today? It is a bit strange. We have high efficiency toilets, we have smart plumbing, we go to Mars. Why are we still using wax to seal porcelain? Well, in this video, I'm going to explain to you where this started, why it started, and why it is still the most popular. In this video, I'm going to show you where the wax ring came from, why it was invented, and why, despite the technology, it is still one of the most trusted seals in plumbing today. What is a wax ring anyways? A toilet wax seal, also called a wax ring, is just a simple piece of wax that sits between a toilet and the toilet flange. And as all it does is it seals the connection between your toilet and the flange to prevent sewage from seeping out and gases escaping into your bathroom. Let's go back to the early 1900s. That's when plumbing was starting to become more common, but one of the major problems they were having was getting a proper seal on the toilets to prevent the gas and waste from leaking out. Before wax seals, plumbers used putty, oakum, and even lead to try and make a watertight connection, but these were messy, unreliable, and hard to install. Now, before we get too far into this video, I'd just like you to like and subscribe to this video. It helps out a lot, makes me feel like I'm doing something and people might want to hear me talk. Also, if we can get the subscriber counts up and start making some money here, my big dream here is to start giving back to you. Stuff's expensive. I'd like to give back, help you with your projects. Anyways, let's get back to the video. Then in the 1930s, the idea using wax, which is naturally sticky, moldable, and water resistant, changed everything. It was easy to, and it didn't require special tools. And most importantly, it worked really well. Why wax? Well, wax is easily moldable. I don't know why I can't say that word clearly. Moldable. Wax is moldable. It's accessible. It's not expensive. And because of all that, it can give you a tight seal on uneven surfaces. You can mold it to fit whatever you need. It was just the perfect material to use for such a situation. Plus, it's cheap, costs you $5-10 tops, and it can last 20-30 years or more. It is the perfect material for this. There are great wax-free seals. There's foam ones, there's rubber ones, and they work well depending on the situation. But overall, the majority of plumbers still trust and rely on a wax seal to give them the best seal every time. And you ask why they do it? Why do they use a wax seal every time? It's time proven. For over 100 years, it's been the go-to for sealing toilets, and it works. And it's not often, very rare actually, that you ever have to replace a toilet because the seal has worn out. I've only heard about it, like an urban legend. I've never actually had to replace a wax seal on a toilet because it aged out. So that alone is why wax is still king. So in closing, remember the next time that you see one of those sticky wax rings, remember you're looking at a piece of history that was invented over 100 years ago and still going strong today. So that's something pretty impressive. Now, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Let's get those subscriber counts up. And again, thank you for watching the video. We'll see you on the next one.